Dad, are we really flying to Grandma's today? I have been waiting for this moment all week.
Yes, sweetheart. Everyone ready?
I got the window seat. This is gonna be the best flight ever. Look at the wing.
Keep your voice down a little, James. We have many neighbors on this plane.
I'm just excited. I can't believe we are finally in the air heading to see Grandma.
That's okay. Just be respectful. Remember that people...
Ugh, are these children sitting here? I was hoping for a quiet row for once today. Yes, ma'am. This is our assigned row, and we are just getting settled in. Wonderful. My flight is already ruined before we even take off. This is just my luck.
What did we do? Why is that lady looking at us like we did something wrong?
Please don't speak to my daughter like that. She is just a child being happy.
Then teach her to be quiet. If you can't control them, don't bring them on planes.
I wasn't even loud. I was just whispering to my brother about the trip.
She was just talking. You are being much louder than she is being right now, lady.
See? Both of them are noisy. Even the little boy is talking back to me now. They're behaving normally. They are just children experiencing the excitement of a family trip. Welcome aboard, everyone. We hope you have a pleasant journey with us today. Excuse me, these kids are disturbing me already. Do something about this noise immediately.
The plane hasn't even taken off yet. We are all just sitting here waiting for departure.
And I already want a different seat. I refuse to sit next to this chaos for hours. Ma'am, please remain calm. We will be departing shortly, so please take your seat. Calm? I paid for a peaceful flight, not a ticket to a daycare center in the sky.
And we paid for our seats too. We have every right to be here as a family.
Not next to screaming children. I deserve better treatment for the price I paid.
I'm not screaming. I don't know why she is saying those mean things about me.
Charlotte, it's okay. Don't listen to her, just focus on the book you brought to read. She keeps talking nonstop. It's like a constant buzzing in my ear that won't stop.
So do adults. You have been talking much more than we have since you sat down.
Excuse me? Did that child just talk back to me? This is pure insolence.
He's 8 years old. He is just pointing out the obvious truth of the situation.
That's old enough to know manners. In my day, children were seen and not heard. They've been respectful. They haven't used any bad words or touched any of your belongings. Let's lower our voices, please. We want everyone to have a comfortable experience. Tell DHEM that. They are the ones causing all the trouble and making me yell.
Dad, why is she so angry? Did we do something to make her have a bad day?
Some people look for problems. It has nothing to do with you, so don't worry.
I heard that. Don't think you can talk about me right in front of my face.
Good. I wanted you to hear it so you might realize how you are acting.
Please, let's avoid conflict. We have a long flight ahead and we should try to relax. Too late for that. My mood is ruined and I won't forget this anytime soon. Charlotte, look at the clouds outside. They look like giant pieces of cotton candy.
Oh my gosh, make him stop talking. I can't take another second of this childish chatter.
He's allowed to speak. He is expressing his joy for his first flight experience.
Not at this volume. This isn't a playground, it's a pressurized cabin for adults. He's excited because it's his first flight. He has never seen the world from above before.
That's not my problem. I shouldn't have to suffer because of his first time.
You're upsetting the children. They were perfectly happy until you started attacking them. Maybe they should stay home next time. If they can't handle public, keep them away.
That's completely inappropriate. You are being a bully to two small children right now.
I'm just honest. I say what everyone else is thinking but is too afraid to say. Ma'am, I need you to relax. You are causing a scene in the cabin. Then move this family away from me. Put them in the back of the plane.
Why should we move? We were here first and we have our tickets for these seats. We didn't do anything. We are just sitting here and looking at the clouds.
See.
They're getting louder. They are being defiant and noisy on purpose now.
Because you keep attacking them. Any person would get upset if they were treated this way.
Don't lecture me. I know more about life than you ever will, young lady. Final warning, everyone needs to stay respectful. I will not ask again.
We are trying. We have been sitting here quietly until this lady started shouting.
Excuse me, I did nothing wrong. You can't talk to me like that.
Dad, I don't like this lady. She makes me feel like I'm a bad girl.
Just stay calm, sweetheart. You are doing great, and I am very proud of you.
Oh, please, now she's pretending to cry? What a little actress we have here. She's upset because of your behavior. You are a grown woman bullying a little girl. Stop being mean to my sister. She is the best sister in the whole world. And now the little one is yelling too. This family is completely out of control.
Enough. Don't speak to my kids like that. I will not tolerate any more insults.
Then control them better. If they were disciplined, I wouldn't have to say anything. I was quiet the whole time, but I didn't even say anything until you started talking.
Quiet? You never stop talking. You've been whispering and giggling since the moment you boarded.
That's not true. You are exaggerating because you just don't like children being near you. I know what I heard. My hearing is perfect and I heard everything. Is everything all right over here? I can hear voices from the front of the plane. No, this family is ruining my flight. They are being incredibly disruptive and loud.
We've done nothing wrong. We have been sitting here minding our own business.
Your daughter is disruptive. She is the main source of all this noise and trouble.
I only asked one question. I just asked if we were gonna see Grandma. And she keeps yelling at us. She won't stop saying mean things to us.
Because your parents refuse to parent. They just let you do whatever you want. That is extremely disrespectful. You have no right to judge our parenting skills.
You need to stop insulting my family. I am giving you one last chance to stop.
Or what? What are you gonna do about it, Mr. Big Shot Father?
Or this conversation ends with security after landing. I will report your harassment to the authorities.
Are you threatening me now? I'm the one who should be calling security.
Dad, please don't let her hurt us. I just want to go home.
It's okay. I'm handling it. No one is going to hurt you while I'm here.
I will not be treated this way. This is an outrage. Does anyone else see this chaos? Ma'am, you are now interfering with the flight crew's duties. Sit down immediately. I can't believe this is happening. Everyone is looking at us.
You will not look at my daughter again. This ends now.
Don't you dare tell me what to do. I have rights as a passenger. Please, she is frightening the children. You have to do something. Captain, we have a level 1 disruption in the cabin. Requesting a seat reassignment or removal. Fine, I'll move. I shouldn't have to sit with people like you anyway. You will take the last row, ma'am. Please move now before I call for security to meet us at the gate. I will be writing a very long letter to the airline about this. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
She's gone, Charlotte. We're okay now.
Finally. Let's just enjoy the trip now.
I am so sorry for that. We want you to have a wonderful flight to see your grandma.
Look! That one looks like a giant puppy. Can you see it? I can't wait to see Grandma. It's gonna be the best trip ever.
File whatever complaint you want. We have plenty of witnesses who saw what happened.
Oh, I will. You can bet your life that I will follow through.
Dad, did we really do something wrong? I don't want to be a bad girl.
No, sweetheart. You have been an angel. Some people are just hard to please.
You've both behaved very well. I couldn't ask for better kids on a flight. Then why is she blaming us? It's not fair that she gets to lie.
Because some people refuse to admit when they're wrong. They'd rather blame anyone else.
I am no T wrong. My feelings are valid and I am being harassed here. Ma'am, please stop interrupting. I am trying to speak with the other passengers. This entire flight is ridiculous. I've never seen such a lack of discipline.
I just wanted to visit Grandma. I've been making her a special drawing all day.
And you still will. We will be there before you know it, honey.
I don't even want to talk anymore, but it's not fun when someone is mean.
Don't let someone steal your happiness. You have a lot of fun things planned.
Maybe silence would finally help. It's about time we had some peace and quiet.
Enough. We are not going to listen to your comments for the rest of the trip. You've insulted my children for over an hour. It is time for you to stop.
Because they're disruptive. If they weren't here, there wouldn't be an issue at all. They've sat in their seats this entire time. They haven't even unbuckled their belts. That is correct. I have been watching, and they have been very quiet. So everyone is against me now? Even the staff is taking their side?
Nobody is against you. We just want peace. We want to enjoy our flight.
Why can't she just ignore us? We are just sitting here doing nothing at all.
Yeah, she's like a character from a movie that is always mean to kids.
Because your whispering is annoying. It's like a bug in my ear that won't go away.
Families are allowed to speak quietly on planes. It's perfectly normal behavior.
Ma'am, this is your final warning. If you speak again, I'll call the captain. You can't warn ME. I am the one who is being disturbed here. Actually, they can. They have the authority to maintain order on this aircraft. Yep. This airline will hear from my lawyer. I'm going to sue for emotional distress.
Dad, is she serious? Are we gonna get in trouble with a lawyer?
Don't worry about it. She's just saying things because she's angry and has no power.
I demand compensation for this terrible experience. I want a full refund and a voucher. Ma'am, please lower your voice. You are now disturbing the whole cabin. She's louder than everyone here, but she's the only one who is actually yelling.
Charlotte, let's not make it worse. Just keep looking at your book, honey.
Nobody asked you. Mind your own business and stay out of this.
See? Other passengers notice too. It's not just us saying that you are the problem.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Everyone in this row is ganging up on me. Ma'am, if the behavior continues, we may need to reseat you in the very back. You'd move ME instead of them? I'm the one who paid for this seat.
Because we didn't do anything wrong, but we are just a family going on a trip.
Exactly. The person causing the disturbance is always the one who has to move.
Fine, I'll move myself. I can't stay in this toxic environment for another minute. That might be best. We wish you a more peaceful flight elsewhere, ma'am.
Is she finally leaving?
Is she gonna be far away from us now?
Yes, sweetheart. She's moving to the back where it's very quiet and empty.
All right, family, let's enjoy the rest of our flight peacefully. No more distractions.
Finally, I can actually breathe now.